Alright guys, so this is going to be a video of all the cool cars and trucks that I've seen around the island of Key West.
I'm a big fan of this look. I bet the Apex seals went bad.
A case of the rotaries.
This Jeep grew up to be a train. This extended grom is definitely some Florida Hot Boy shit. It's pretty nice. Pretty nice. Look at this homemade gym contraption. God dang. It's always a Mustang. Damn, boy. And now that I'm walking by a second time, that thing's nice. Was. You know he wants to fix it though. Alright, so we came over here to look at this Volvo. There's something we gotta look at back over there. But now there's also an Airhead to look at, so this is exciting. Wooden roof rack, bike. That's a nice island hauler. Nice hauler anyway. Blink 182, America flag. What do we have here? Oh man, this looks awesome. This looks like, well, the air intake tells me that it must be 1978 to 80, I think. I don't know if there's anywhere for me to look to find a code. Oh look, this guy wanted a luggage rack so bad that he built it out of copper pipes. That's so cool, and all I ever do is just take my luggage rack on and off and on and off. Oh, but that's what I wanted to do with pinstripes on mine, is paint that tailpiece, or not the tailpiece, the rear fender, and put a pinstripe on it to match the tank, because mine's black with the red and the white pinstripe. I wonder when the last thing this thing moves. I wonder if he rides this thing. This thing's fucking sweet. The seat is really nice, the wraparound chrome handle. Got a little heat shield on the exhaust. Mine doesn't have that. I wonder why these bolts are here, but I got the stabilizer bar on mine. This fucking... Got a little extra light there, maybe his light don't work. What are these? A fuse, and those are much older style. I think I saw those on the R80 ST maybe. Is that the key? Yo, the 70 has the key down there. See, I guess I'm just really only familiar with my 1983 model. That thing is cool. Same thing with the homemade saddlebag. Islander life. Makes me realize how nice my bike is, even though, you know, you always wish your shit's a little nicer than it actually is. Oh, the black front wheel. I wonder if that's just dust or if they painted it. But the reason that I got thrown off is I don't think it has the right valve covers on it. Maybe it's not a 1978 and it's like a 79 or 80, and that's why the valve covers don't match, but the air box tells me that the engine is older. Once again. Alright, so I'm looking pretty cool. 4-wheel drive, Toyota, nice tires, vinyl line. Why is the roof rack ratchet strapped on? Come on now. Nice truck though. Look at this little guy. He's been here a long time. That's some fucking Pete Drago shit right there. Whatever it is. Alright, I've driven by on my bike a few times on this shop. I stopped this time to look at this. Pretty cool, homemade. I don't know if it's homemade or not, but it's nice. You know, it's got this guy here, the good old Winnebago. That thing's pretty cool. Then I said to myself, oh, I didn't even notice this high top Chevy 20. So I'm looking at this. Then I turn around and say, what kind of diesel engine is this? And then I said, oh my freaking God. Another R75, man. Woohoo! This thing is definitely 78 or older. Front drums. Oh, this is where she's all incorporated. Oh, and the steering dampener. And the tank paddles. And this is a pretty weird luggage rack. I'm not too familiar with those. Kickstart. Oh, it's got some sort of fuel priming. Fuel primer, that's cool. It's got 2020 sticker on it, that's also cool. It's like these are for the passenger to put their feet on or something. It's really weird. This is like Lickman power or something. Some sort of mechanical fuel pump. She's for a boat for sure. Oh, there it is. It's a Ford. It's a Ford. This is how you see them, folks. You know, this isn't how you see them. This is how you see them here. Survivors. This thing probably never been in a garage. It's been out here its whole freaking life. And she looks great. Got this little mud flat. Don't look like this Chevy go nowhere with only half its lug nuts. The Wrangler gang on this island is serious, man. Loving it. This is an old one. Close to military spec. And it's got the 3 shifters, so it's got front wheel dig. You know it. This thing's got all of the body kit. And some pretty deep dish wheels there. It's good color. That guy's got a lot of personality. This thing's got all of it. The cool fenders, the cool bumpers, the lift, the stick shift, the alloys, the bumpers, and the location. Days later, no more bike, and now we're hauling bamboo. Got ourselves a Volvo truck. Oh, some 41 in corn. Nice. There's that airhead. Look at this frickin' golf cart. Now this is what you call
Motherfucking son of a gun! Fort Ranger!
I'm liking the business vans. Good old Taiwanese rickshaw. You know, I just don't think I've ever seen the double. Wrangler gang, baby. Wrangler gang. I can tell it's a stick shift from here. So my favorite part about this good old work truck is not the fact that the doors open for a week, but the fact that it's got a cinder block on the roof. I think I put my eye on the orange bug, but that's a pretty nice Falcon. Yo, check out this old school right-hand drive Land Cruiser, dude. This thing is sick. And for proof, there you go, there's the steering wheel. Right-hand drive, baby. Well, it claims to be some kind of British car, but I've always called these things doos and dinkles. It's an MG, guys. Don't worry.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
And hit that notification bell, baby. We out.